Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to clear app cache on your CHiQ TV. So let's start off by going to the settings. Now scroll down onto your guys' apps, and here we will have, let's say, live TV. Now here we have the clear data and the clear cache, so we're gonna click on the clear cache, click OK, and now the cache should start clearing up. Now we can also clear the data here, but it doesn't matter. As you guys can see, the cache is cleared. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if this tutorial was helpful to you. Bye.